So for today's episode of Summer of Adventures, we're going to go on a nice nature walk because that's a fun thing to do, especially because we just found this nature trail while we were driving to a different nature trail, and this one's actually really cool. So we're going to show you some cool cinematic shots of this, and yeah, go on some nature walks, especially trails you've never been on. It's pretty cool and you'll never know what you'll find.
Yep.
So that was our nice nature walk. We actually found a bunch of cool things, cool rock structures, and got absolutely assaulted by bugs. Yep. So if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and do all that fun stuff. And tell me about your favorite nature trails, what state, you know, where they are, and if you can, I don't know like the whole YouTube messaging features yet, but if you can, send me some pictures because I like to see cool areas and stuff. And I would absolutely love that. So thank you, and I'll see you later.
This is our friend, Fred the lobster. He's just chilling, and there's a little fish by him. I think we're gonna name him Larry.
So wait, you named the lobster Fred, but the fish Larry. That is like complete reverse.
That's why I did it.
Okay.